In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms and share the link. We'll start right from the beginning, so even if you've never used Google Forms before, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you see your profile icon in the top right corner, you're good to go. If not, just sign in with your usual Google credentials. Next, we need to access Google Forms. The easiest way is to click on the grid icon in the top right corner, sometimes called the Google Apps menu. A panel will open showing different Google tools. If you see Forms in that list, click it. If you don't see it right away, scroll down, or you can simply type Google Forms into the search bar in a new tab and click the official link. Once Google Forms opens, you'll see some template options as well as a blank form. For this tutorial, choose the blank form so you can see how everything works from scratch. At the top, click where it says Untitled Form and give your form a clear name like Feedback Survey or Event Registration. You can also add a short description below the title to explain what the form is for and how people should use it. Now it's time to add your questions. By default, there will be one question already created. Click on the text that says Untitled Question and type your first question. On the right side of that question, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the question type, such as multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes. Pick the one that best fits the kind of response you want. To add more questions, click the plus icon on the side toolbar and repeat the process for each new question. When your form looks the way you want, take a moment to review it. Check spelling, make sure the questions are clear, and adjust any settings like required questions if needed. Now let's share your form. At the top right corner, click the Send button. In the window that appears, switch to the Link tab, which shows a URL for your form. You can click the option to shorten the URL if you want a cleaner link. Finally, click Copy. You can now paste this link into an email, message, website, or anywhere you want people to access your form.